In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll be able to send a clean, professional invite in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Zoom website, or launch the Zoom desktop app if you already have it installed. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the meeting controls. Next, join an existing meeting or start a new one that you're hosting. You need to be inside the meeting to access the invite options. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the Zoom window for the meeting toolbar. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse or tap the screen to make it appear. This toolbar is where all the quick controls live, and it's the gateway to inviting people on the fly. Click the Participants button on that toolbar. This opens the Participants panel, usually on the right side of your screen, where you can see who's currently in the meeting and manage invites. In the Participants panel, click Invite. This brings up Zoom's invitation dialog, which provides several ways to share your meeting. For this walkthrough, we'll send the invite by email, which is a straightforward option that includes all the key details. Click Email in the invitation dialog. You'll see choices for different email services. Select Gmail. This tells Zoom to open a new draft in Gmail with your meeting information already filled in. If you're not signed into Gmail in your browser, you may be prompted to log in before the draft appears. When the Gmail draft opens, it will include a subject line and a message body with the meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode if one is enabled. Take a quick moment to review the details so your recipients get exactly what they need. You can also personalize the message with a short note, such as the purpose of the meeting or the agenda, to set expectations and reduce back and forth later. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. If you're inviting multiple people, separate addresses with commas. Double-check spelling here to avoid bounced emails or missed invites. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will deliver the invitation, and your recipients will receive a message with the join link they can use at the scheduled time. If your meeting has a waiting room or requires authentication, let them know so they're prepared to join smoothly. That's it. You've invited someone to your Zoom meeting using Gmail, right from inside the meeting window. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.